Value for money. I got this product delivered before time as well as in absolute prime condition. Samsung technician was also assigned on time on first working day after delivery and installed it as well as briefed about the features properly. As expected. Amazing looks and performance. Nice fridge. I'm 100% satisfied. One of the best ref ever because its technology twin cooling plus is more effectively work. I love this fridge. Got at best price. Love the fit and finish. I've had this for 4 months now. Seamless delivery and works perfectly. Click link in description for more reviews.